Right, so we're here with this EM27 and it's time to do it on the air test so we can get it somewhere like in shot. Got the tripod today, but have I put it in the right position now? Backlights are a bit dim, aren't they? But what can you do and get the voltage we can get? It's a 20-year-old set and there you go. Right, so we managed to coax it to do 3.5 watts. See whether the two knobs haven't gone on yet because just need to tighten up the securing nuts, and that's done in a different building. So we'll just go to channel 31. Tango 21 test.
Tango 21, go ahead.
Excellent. Right, I'll just plug my extension speaker in.
Roger, bit busy.
Is it now? Right, yeah. Well, you wait till you hear what it is.
It's not busy now.
Okay, right, off we go.
Roger. Right, we're now passing the house tone recording.
Roger Dodger, and on this set I've not got a tone control.
Roger that. Buzz is back, I think it's intermittent.
This is probably how I hold the mic or something like that. I'll probably wave the mic lead about. I'm waving the mic lead about.
Yeah, it's coming and going. Right, we're coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger, got you at the end of the lane.
Roger.
Passing Ancaster service station, 145.9, 154.9.
You're actually open, that's incredible.
Certainly is. I think there's been a bike meet at Woody's today though, so they're hoping probably to put some petrol in.
There you go, and sell them a few miles bar.
Roger. Right, we're now passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you going through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger. Passing the top of the hill, let's go down in towards Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going around Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over. Roger, got you loud and clear going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going around Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. I'm on a
Maycom EM27, doing 3.5 watts, and I am our factory original microphone.
blimey, you found one that works.
Yeah, I finished off the one which needed the flow control messing with. Spent about 4 hours on it.
Roger.
It wouldn't be viable, but we're giving it to a disabled friend of ours.
Yeah, acknowledged. Right, we're now going over Wilsford level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Wilsford level crossing.
Going past the Kelby turn, however.
Roger, got you going past the Kelby turn.
Roger. Passing the Greyleys turn.
Roger, got you at the Greyleys turn.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, we're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you at the 5 mile point. So I'm on the Maycom EM27, which is CR27 9780 channel set. It's doing 3.5 watts output, came in doing 3.1, and on CEPT does 3.6 watts output. And I'm on the factory original mic and the radio doing 1.17 amps. Now it doesn't have low power because it gives me 2781 set. So what I'd like you to do is to go to CEPT, meet me on channel 31 there, please, David.
Yep, roger. Tango 21, go ahead.
Okay, so now I'm talking to 3.6 watts and the radio showing 1.4 amps. And there we go. You copy me?
Yeah, no problem. Apart from a little bit more interference, it's fine.
Okay, back to UK then.
Yep, roger that.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm back.
Right, off you go when you're ready.
Roger. Right, we're on the move again.
Roger, Dodger.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over.
Going over Rossby level crossing.
Yep, 144.9, 153.9.
Good, they're open well. Well, that works fine. So, 10.
Yep, roger that, 10-10.
Okay, thank you.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Rossby level crossing. Have you got a special price for me at that end, please? Over.
Yep, 144.9, 153.9.
Good, so they're open as well. Well, that worked fine. So say 10-10.
Yep, roger that, 10-10.
Okay, thank you. Right, well, it work fine. He says it's a bit of a buzz. Well, we'll find out, won't we, when I listen to the playback. But there you go. Could be dodgy earthing. Could be a dodgy mic lead. Who's to know? So this, if you remember, this was the later version, which has the memory capacitor rather than the version which has the battery that ruins the board, like has happened to this earlier realistic. The tracks on the printed circuit are eaten away. I think if this was your only way off a desert island, you still wouldn't fix it. So, we'll go over to our base station, see what it sounds like.
Tango 21 testing the Maycom EM27 into our Midland 76900 base station. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And there you have it. I think we've got a baby Midland somewhere. We've got about